Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in voice recorder and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select Allow in all pop-ups and click on this red button to start your recording. As you can see, recording is on. In order to pause it or unpause it, select the same red button. If you want to delete it right away, pause it first and then click on Discard on the left. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. To add a bookmark, click on this little icon when recording is unpaused. Type in wherever you want to or not at all and hit OK. To end it and save it though, you can pause it or keep it unpaused and click on this check mark on the right. Then hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you want to rename it, go back, click on those three dots and choose Rename option. Now you can type in wherever you want to and save your new name by hitting OK. Lastly, to get rid of any recording, hold the chosen one and tap on this bin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!